Hello, welcome back once again to my recipe. So today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious dinner roll sausage recipe. So this recipe is so easy and this dinner roll is so soft and very fluffy. So without wasting much of your time, then let's get started. So in my clean dry bowl, I'll be adding 1 cup of warm milk, and then I will add 1 sachet of dry yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, then mix all together, and I will allow this to sit for 5 minutes. So I'll just set it aside, and then in my bowl I have here 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm using all-purpose flour for this recipe. And then I'll just create a hole and I'll add just 1/4 cup of sugar, and I will add just a teaspoon of salt, add 1 egg, and then transfer the wet ingredient into it. And at this point I'm just going to mix all together, and mix it slowly and gently until you have the dough. So keep mixing until all is well combined and form a dough. So here we are, this is the dough I'm looking for. I'm just going to cover this dough and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. So just cover with your rubber wrap and let it sit for just 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes now. I'm just going to remove the rubber wrap, and I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of butter, soft butter, into it. And now I'm going to use my hand to mix the dough and the butter together and make sure all is well combined. The butter and the dough is well mixed, and I'll transfer to my workplace. Just add a little bit of flour to your workplace or your work surface, and then begin to knead this dough until it is very soft and very stretchy. So keep kneading until you get that stretchy and soft dough and very smooth dough. So here I have my dough ready. In my bowl I will just add just a little bit of oil, vegetable oil. You just use your brush to brush the oil in the bowl, add in your dough and cover this and allow it to sit for 1 hour or till the dough is double its size. So just cover with your rubber wrap and just let because I'm going to leave it on top of the work surface, I just cover with the napkin and then I leave it for 1 hour. So this has been sitting for 1 hour, and as you can see my dough has doubled in size. So with your hands just press the dough inside and make sure you get the air out of it. So I'm going to be leaving the ingredients of this recipe in the description box below, so please do feel free to check it out. At this point, you just work it out to form a very round ball, and I'll be dividing my dough into 2 parts, and I'll be cutting it into the shape and the size that I want. So I've finished cutting my dough now, and I'm just going to be making small balls, just round balls. And as you can see, I'm done. I will just cover this for about 5 minutes until it is double in size. As you can see, it has double in size. And here I'm going to start making my roll. So with your hands, just press it together, and then after that you just use your wood and then press it down, and then you get this shape, flat shape that you want. Add in your sausage, and then give it a cut. And after that, one after the other, you just wrap in your sausage with the dough. This is easy and very simple to do. And that's it. I'm going to repeat this process until I am done. So as you can see, I've finished, and what I'm going to do, I will let it sit until it is double inside. Just let it sit for 10 minutes. And then in your bowl, just add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, mix all together, and then you, with your brush, you just use it to brush the rolls. So I've already preheated my oven. Your oven depends on how high the oven is. My oven is very high, so I just preheated it with 170 degrees, and then I'll just be going to bake this until it is golden brown on a very medium heat. So here we are. This has been baking for just 20 minutes and it's ready. Hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, and I will see you all.